Piece of Cake Moving and Storage are the best movers that I've used in New York City thus far. I've helped several of my real estate clients facilitate their moves from out of state and within New York City. They were very responsible, reliable, punctual, timely, caring, and very considerate of all of the personal items. They made sure to arrive on time. They moved quickly. The movers worked well together. Their communication skills were excellent. They made sure to wrap, pack, and protect everything. I didn't have any damages. I didn't have any mishaps. Everything was absolutely perfect. They also help with reassembly and furniture placement once you get to your second location. The insight that they gave me was phenomenal. Piece of Cake is the best that I've ever used in New York City, and I can confidently say that. They are very affordable, and they also offer several discounts.